Alright, so in this post we're going to look at the Python syntax, right? So to understand Python syntax, it basically has the small case alignment. For example, if you have to print hello world, you can use this, right? Hello world. So if you are trying to do this, then muted or not. So this will give you an error. So you must have to follow the syntax like this, right? And the one main thing that in syntax is the indentation, right? For example, if you're defining a function, so hello, right? Print hello, right? We're calling it hello. So it should work, right? So you'll see it here, right? So it is taken by default here, but it is necessary if you miss with this indentation, right? For example, click it here, then if you enter, then you'll see the syntax error, right? Then expected an indented block. So what indentation do is basically try to um, identify or recognize the particular block of code, right? And second thing in this is if you want to make a comments, right, in Python, so usually you have to use the hash, right? So for hash, using hash, you can use the comment. So it actually ignores by the Python interpreter, right? And we'll see about these things when we're doing the practice of programming, right? So we will see these things. Thanks for watching.